This rich name of Allah, who is the most merciful and almighty. Assalamu alaikum. By the way, my name is claus. So what we are going to try, teach, and you will learn from this topic. And today we are going to teach class, and what is class and what is the rule of class in our English. So come to the side of board. Let's start the definition of class. Then what is class in our daily life, in our English? What is the rule of class? So let's start the class definition. It is a group of word. It is a group of word which have subject and give incomplete meaning. It have also two conditions. One of them the clause. It must have subject and verb with us. If in class these two things isn't available, the class will be incomplete. So second one condition of the incomplete. It have usually complete. It give us usually complete mean and give incomplete mean also with us. There is a small example with us. I went. It is a class because it have subject and verb. And second one, he went. There is also pronoun with subject and that is a verb. So it is a special. It has a special types with us. One of them dependent class and second one is independent class. So dependent class give us incomplete meaning and independent class usually give us complete. It gave us complete meaning. So that was my topic about class. You will learn more. So before the watching, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.